I'm Justin with the Finer Touch Construction, and this is Project Blow Your Mind. We're standing in the dining room of the home right now. You can kind of see some of the features between the stone, the architectural metal, and the Venetian plaster, how it all ties in together. We also have, on the lighting up in the ceiling, we have invisible lighting, we have subwoofers, audio that's small aperture. So we're in the dining room right now. One of the fun things about custom homes that they're evolving, they're changing at all times. One of the things we were doing in this dining room is we were going to hang a wicker light that was coming from Bali. The homeowners are doing a custom table in here that's very industrial. Part of that process is we're changing from the wicker light into this concrete landscape planner, which is an awesome idea. It's going to accentuate the table. On our end, it does change some things. We had a 35-pound fan box, and with the weight of this being close to 100 pounds, we had to go back into the ceiling, which is Venetian plaster, add more backing up in there. The backing just to support a larger light. It's just part of the design and custom home building that we get into. We plan ahead, we brace for what we need to, and sometimes as it changes, we adapt and move on. So some of the lighting that is going on in the main kitchen here, we have these 7 pendants. They were provided by Jaimee Rose Interiors and came from Bali. It's a wicker light. They will be a little more spread out. We're working on doing that, but this is some of the challenges that we're facing with just the height of the ceiling. Every time that these need to be adjusted, we have to set up scaffold, bring in the scaffold safely, and make our adjustments. The entire ceiling, as you can tell, is also Venetian plaster, as well as the whole room. So here's an example of some of the scaffolding that we need to set up just to hang the chandelier in here. This chandelier was also purchased and gave to us by Jaimee Rose Interior Design. It's another light from Bali, and you can see it's a grand chandelier for a room this size. So here's another light that was provided by Jaimee Rose for the kids wing of the home. She ended up finding these at a market that they go to down in Louisiana, I believe. And she brought in 5 of these for us. They were retrofitted to turn them into lights that were hanging for this special project we have. Before this, they were not set up. So you can see some of the custom fabrication that was done in order to allow these to hang and at her specified height. So we're back in the guest suite right now in the guest home. It's one of 2 on the property. We're kind of going over some of the chandeliers and fun fixtures that we're hanging here. You'll see this one is set up. It's actually candlesticks is the look that she was going after. This is another fixture that's been provided by Jaimee Rose Interior Design, and a fun project that we get to hang here in the great room of the guest house. So in the back guest house, we have this poured concrete mantle that we had built. Our team actually went out and sourced the barn wood, sourced the rough cut wood so that they can build the frame for this. And then it was all completely poured and tilted up in place. Some of the cool stuff, when we were hand selecting all the board forms, you can see how it pulled the grain. You can see how it pulled some of the rough saw cuts, everything out of it. The concrete actually took some of the color from the boards. So you'll notice that it's not your typical gray concrete. It's kind of got some wood tones in there that came. We also have a faux painter that's going to be coming to site here in the next couple weeks, and he's going to go through and faux paint the entire mantle to make it look like real wood. And the reason we chose to do the concrete is, number one, it's just a design feature that Jaimee loves to incorporate into her designs. It also, we don't have to worry about any heat, anything like that coming on some old timber, old wood. So the poured look is just a strong, durable finish that'll allow it to be here for a long time. So here's another example. We're in the master bedroom of Project Blow Your Mind. And this is a light that Jaimee Rose spec'd out for the master bedroom. You can see it's simple, but it's definitely eye-catching. I'm Justin with AFT Construction, and thank you guys for stopping by Project Blow Your Mind as we walk through some of the lighting designs and some of the interesting features we have coming up. We've definitely got a lot more finishes coming in, so check back with us again and we'll give you guys another tour.